Hi, my name's Tom. I'm on my brand new comforter where my little cat is really enjoying it. So this is our brand new comforter. It's the khaki color. I know that it comes in a lot of different colors. It's actually a really nice comforter. We weren't expecting it to be this nice. This is again the khaki, and it's got that pattern with the little short strings. We were worried that the strings would get caught on the cat claws or the dog would scratch at it, but so far we've had it for about a week and a half now, and the animals just love to sit on it. They like to play on it, but they don't scratch. These things hold up pretty well. It's just a nice pattern. We really like the kind of the look of it. It brightens our room. We had a darker one before. So a couple quick things about this one. This is a light, like as in heavy weight. It's not a real heavy weight. It's light and airy. It's still a comforter. It is still warm, but it's not like a winter down comforter where you'll start to sweat in it. It does keep you warm. It does have some weight to it, but it's not one of those ones that will just like pin you to the bed and make you sweat. It's actually kind of a nice spring summer comforter because it is a little bit thinner. It's not as thick as some of the other winter comforters that you may be used to having. Everyone likes the comforter. It's nice and soft. There are a couple of nice little features to it. One, it does, just so you know, the pattern does lines vertically. They don't work horizontally, depending upon the measurements on your bed. So they are vertical lines. Another nice little feature, which we really weren't expecting, is, let's see here, where is it? There it is. Right on the corner, see that little ribbon? It's actually kind of hard to see with the color. That little ribbon there, that little ribbon is a duvet cover latch, or made for a duvet cover. So you can take this comforter and you can put a duvet cover over it. It's like a pillowcase for your comforter. Um, my wife tells me it's a thing. But you can go ahead and basically, these is nice because not all comforters have this, but this comforter does have the little ribbons that you can go ahead and put a duvet in it. It just attaches to it and it kind of covers it up. And that way you can kind of change the look of your comforter. You still use the interior fluffing, but the external side, the duvet, is a different color or a different pattern. Also makes it nice for cleaning. You just take the duvet off, you clean the duvet, and you typically don't clean the comforter then, so it kind of keeps it nice and fluffy and nice and clean. So overall, we do recommend this comforter. It is nice and soft. We really like it a lot. Again, all the colors are great, and my cat loves it just as much as we do.